Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble these mini makeup ornaments. This will be part 2 of part 1, so be sure to check out part 1 on the customization and design of these mini makeup pieces. For supplies, you'll need a green or blue cutting mat, the pre-made printable PDF that we printed in part 1, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus. I'll be using a scoring stylus. Some jumbo milkshake straws about 7/16 inch, a briar tool, some flaky fake snow, mini bottle brush tree, some ribbon about 3/8 inch, a hot glue gun, and I'm using this one with a precision tip, and a 3-inch fillable plastic ornament. So the first thing that we're going to do is get our pre-made print then cut design onto our mat and load it into our machine. If you're using the scoring stylus, you'll go ahead and load that into clamp A, or if you're using the scoring wheel, you'll load that into clamp B, and then the Cricut will go ahead and read the registration lines, score everything, and then cut everything. After the cut is complete, then you'll just go ahead and remove all of the pieces from the mat. And afterward, you will have these 5 pieces: the palette, the foundation box, the foundation, and the powder box. To fold the palette, you'll just fold it in half as there's only one score line. Then we'll move on to the foundation bottle. So you'll just take the tabs at the top and the bottom of the foundation bottle and fold them downwards or away from you. And same with the little tab on the circle piece. So they will both be mountain folds, folding them down and away from you, creating mountain peaks. And then your foundation bottle will look something like this. And then we'll begin to work on the foundation box, which is pretty simple and the same thing. They're going to be mountain folds, so just folding each score line down and away from you, creating mountain peaks. And here's what the foundation box will look like once all of the lines are folded. Just repeat the same exact mountain folds to all of the tabs and the score lines to the powder box, being sure to fold down and away. Now we're going to pick up that little rectangular piece and attach it to the front of the palette. To assemble the foundation box, we're just going to add some glue to the inside tab and then adding glue to the top and the bottom tabs, folding them over top of each other. Here is what the foundation box should look like once assembled. So to assemble the powder box, we're just going to add some glue to the bottom flaps, and I'm going to leave the flap that attaches to the inside tab of the powder box last. If you're not already, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with a friend, as it really does help keep my channel running. And lastly, just add some glue to the front tab to close it all up. And here's what your powder box should look like once it's all glued and complete. Now I'm just taking that jumbo milkshake straw to create a curve or bend in the foundation bottle. And this part is optional, but I'm cutting some of that jumbo straw off to glue the foundation bottle to give it some structure, but you can build the foundation bottle without the straw being inside. Then I'm going to close up the foundation bottle by taking one side of the back and meeting the corners up at the top corner of that slant. And now to close up the rest of the foundation bottle, you'll just fold over the top and the bottom of the bottle and add some glue, and then use those little tabs on the circle piece to attach it. And then here is what the foundation bottle should look like once it's all folded and glued together. So now we need to attach all the pieces together. So I'm going to put some glue on the side of the foundation box and then attach it to the side of the foundation bottle. Next, I'll add some glue to the side of the powder box and place it on top of a corner of the makeup palette. And to attach both pieces together, I'm going to add some glue in the seam of the foundation bottle and the foundation box and attach it to the corner of the top of the powder box. Then to attach the mini bottle brush tree, I'm just spreading apart some of the needles so that I can create a little channel for the foundation box to sit in nicely. And then I'm going to add some glue to the base and add that to the side of the foundation box. And lastly, I'm adding some glue to the back of the bottle brush tree and then placing that on the inside of the ornament so that none of the makeup pieces move around. So there's some glue on the inside of the back of the ornament, and then I'm adding my flaky snow and then putting both of the pieces together and locking them in place. And lastly, to hold everything all together, I'm adding some ribbon and glue to each side of the little top piece on the ornament and at the bottom as well. And this will just help hold the ornament closed, because if not, then if you apply some pressure without the ribbon, it could possibly pop open. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below so that I can answer. Don't forget to check out part 1 of these mini makeup ornaments, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with a friend who you might think would enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!